Gappsi installed this pickleball court in Mastic Beach, New York. The court was built with 4 inches of compacted asphalt over recycled concrete base. We painted the court with forest green for the outer perimeter and the pickleball kitchen, and we paint the boxes over the pickleball with the desert sand and stripe the court with the white lines. We also installed a Dominator pickleball netting. This netting posts are made out of aluminum. The paint we used is Lay Cold, and we primed the court with first coat of New Surf, 2 coats of resurfacer with the sand, and 3 coats of paint. This is the latest pickleball court installation done by Gappsi in Mastic Beach, New York.